Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with a minimal checklist. Open Settings and tap Focus, then create a new profile for work, sleep, or study. Choose people and apps that remain allowed so urgent contacts reach you. Once done, enable home screen and lock screen options to hide pages and dim notifications. This reduces visual clutter immediately. Make sure to name the profile clearly and set a simple schedule or activate manually. This gets you into a focused state without extra setup steps. Now refine how interruptions behave. Open the profile and edit choices for notifications and focus filters. Add filters for mail and messages to show only necessary accounts and conversations. This prevents irrelevant threads from breaking focus. Once that's set, pick which apps stay active and decide whether time-sensitive alerts can bypass the filter. Then adjust home screen pages to a single minimal page and place 1 or 2 productivity widgets so your environment supports sustained work rather than distractions. Finish by activating the profile and testing it. Toggle Focus on from Control Center and confirm notifications behave as expected. If you prefer automation, add a schedule or use smart activation so profiles turn on by location or app usage. Make sure iCloud syncing is enabled to carry settings to your other devices. If things go wrong, disable overlapping modes, reset the specific focus profile, or remove conflicting notification settings. This clears common mismatches and restores the intended behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.